Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sam. Okay, in the news today, Gazprom neft uses blockchain tech to streamline aircraft refueling. So of course there are a bunch of use cases of blockchain, and right, this is just one of many use cases of blockchain, and we'll keep seeing more and more. There is nothing too exciting about this news right here, but I just want my viewers to know that blockchain can be used in the airspace industry, you see. But let's go into some China news and some Twitter news and some crypto bank news and all. So China's BSN partners with Stone, which is I think this Stone is for Telegram labs to utilize Telegram blockchain, right? So Telegram is working on their own blockchain. Telegram is a social, it's just like WhatsApp, right? But I think a little bit better, right, and has more use cases. So as you can see, China is not taking the back seat when it comes to implementation and use cases of blockchain technology, right? So it's good to know China is taking the lead, and kudos to BSN network from the Chinese community. Right, so in some Tether news, Tether or USDT, right, Tether hit with 500 Bitcoin ransom demand. Right, so some bunch of guys, demanded that this guy should pay, a sum of 500 Bitcoin, else they're going to release some information about Tether, about Bitcoin, that will make the price go down. But the deadline has passed, and Tether has said, "Hey, we are paying nothing, right? We're not paying anything, right?" But Bitcoin has obviously gone up after then, but let's see how it goes few days from that period. All right, so CryptoBank opens physical location in India's capital as regulatory ban looms. So if you've been checking the news or you've not been around the crypto space for a long time, India is one of the countries out there that was heavily banning cryptocurrency and the use of cryptocurrency. And I've also said that the reasons why these guys are banning cryptocurrency is because they don't want the citizens of their nation to understand the full use case of blockchain technology and cryptocurrency. Basically, with cryptocurrency and blockchain, cryptocurrency like Bitcoin and blockchain, Bitcoin has a blockchain, so what's the point of saying Bitcoin and blockchain? You don't need the banks anymore, and the banks is controlled by the government. So if the people stop using the banks, and banks is controlled by the government, that means the government don't have control over the people anymore, right? So they'll scare you so they can still keep you in their control. And so what's going to happen is that the banks and government around the world will come up with CBDC, which is centralized, their own form of digital currency, but obviously don't keep your money in that. Right, so it's a Ethereum news. Ethereum and DeFi are forcing smart contract platforms to evolve. Right, over the last couple of weeks, we've been seeing, Ethereum fees, tear up to the roof, and people, dApps leaving Ethereum to Binance Smart Chain, most especially Tron, and just one or two moving to EOS. But the truth is, the guys in the Ethereum community, they are actually working, trying to make Ethereum 2.0 out quickly, so users can still be on the Ethereum network. So in some Google news, right, Google Finance adds crypto data tab. Now, most of you might not know how big this is, but this is one of the biggest news when it comes to cryptocurrency within the last 1 year, right? So Google is one of the biggest companies in the world, right? And of course they own google.com. Now, for these guys to add crypto data to their tabs, that means they are trying to say, we recognize these assets, they are here to stay, and they are real. This is going to give people more reason to want to buy Bitcoin, because there are millions and billions of people around the world that are not buying Bitcoin because they say there are some big institutions around the world that are yet to publicly recognize these assets, and now they are doing it. So the more they do it, the more the price goes up. It's just in simple math, right? So that's just it. Hope you got that. So e-commerce giant Rakuten now lets users shop with cryptocurrency. And I've said this before, it's going to be the next trend, where users, platforms around the world accept cryptocurrency. Cars will be accepting cryptocurrency. Mobile phones will accept cryptocurrency for payment. We've already started seeing blockchain phones, right? Tesla is going to accept Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency for payments. And then Amazon will create their own cryptocurrency and also accept other cryptocurrency. You see, I said it here first. Of course, I've said it before also. So mobile phones will accept cryptocurrency, banks will accept cryptocurrency, online shopping websites will accept cryptocurrency, and cars will accept cryptocurrency. Right, speaking of cars, supercar maker Maserati cruises into crypto with Bitcoin payment and token sale. You see, so like I told you, it's going to be the trend within the next couple of years. Right, so some NFT related news. Bitcoin artist concludes 12 city billboard exhibit with $10,000 Bitcoin treasure hunt. Makes sense. If treasure hunts, it's usually fun, and these guys are just trying to make cryptocurrency fun and more accessible to the people. And stuff like this bring some sort of publicity and some sort of fun to the entire crypto space, right? So I love development like this. I wish and I hope people around the world can adopt things like this. So just in case you don't understand the headings, so it's just where they do Google Ultimate Search or all this hidden stuff where you get to look for clues, you get the answer, and then you win a prize. That's basically what they're trying to do, and this is extraordinarily mind blowing. So in the last news for us today, Goldman Sachs relaunching crypto trading DEX after 3-year pause. Right? Of course, they paused it for 3 years because their plan was to try to make Bitcoin die, and obviously it didn't. Right? So it's all coming back. Right? So we're all seeing the good news. When crypto came out, right? The bankers, the governments, the big institutions, they were not accepting Bitcoin. They were not accepting cryptocurrency. They acted like they hated it, and now they are all embracing it. Right. Now, if you are one of those who sold his or her cryptocurrency several years ago when these guys were bashing it, please make sure you don't let that same mistake repeat itself. All right. All right, guys, that's all I have for you today. Please do make sure you subscribe to the channel and like the video. See ya.